Welcome to ASEAN MedTech Insights. Today, we're diving into a critical topic for digital health innovators: the cybersecurity requirements for software as a medical device, or SaMD, in Vietnam. As Vietnam's healthcare market rapidly digitalizes, understanding the regulatory landscape is key to successful market entry. First, it's important to note that Vietnam does not have a separate, standalone cybersecurity regulation specifically for medical devices. Instead, the requirements are integrated into the broader medical device regulations, primarily Decree 98/2021 NDCP and its guiding document, Circular 05/2022 TTBYT. The Vietnamese regulator, the Department of Medical Equipment and Construction, focuses on the overall safety and performance of the device. For SaMD, cybersecurity is a fundamental component of that safety and performance. So how do you demonstrate compliance? The proof lies in your technical dossier. Your submission must provide robust evidence that you have identified, evaluated, and mitigated cybersecurity risks throughout the device's lifecycle. There are several key documents where this evidence is crucial. The first is your risk management file, compliant with ISO 14971. This file must explicitly address cybersecurity risks. You need to show that you've considered potential threats like data breaches, unauthorized access, and malware attacks. You must then detail the mitigation strategies you've implemented, such as data encryption, user authentication protocols, and secure coding practices. The second is your software verification and validation documentation, following the IEC 62304 standard. This isn't just about the software working as intended, it's about it working securely. This is where you provide evidence of penetration testing, vulnerability scans, and a secure software development lifecycle. You must prove that you've systematically tested for and protected against potential security flaws. Let's consider a real-world example. An AI-powered diagnostic software company was preparing to enter the Vietnamese market. Their initial application was delayed because their risk management file treated cybersecurity as a generic IT issue. The regulators required more specific details. The company had to resubmit, this time including a detailed threat model for their specific software, the results of third-party penetration testing, and a comprehensive plan for patching vulnerabilities after launch. This level of detail satisfied the regulators by demonstrating a proactive approach to patient safety. Another critical area is the instructions for use, or IFU. Your IFU must provide clear cybersecurity guidance to the end users, whether they are clinicians or patients. This includes specifying minimum system requirements, advising on antivirus software, and outlining procedures for secure data handling and network connections. Finally, your post-market surveillance, or PMS, plan must include provisions for ongoing cybersecurity monitoring. This means having a system in place to identify new vulnerabilities, assess their risk, and deploy patches or updates in a timely manner. The regulators want to see a commitment to maintaining the device's security throughout its entire operational life. In summary, while Vietnam doesn't have a dedicated SaMD cybersecurity law, the requirements are deeply embedded within the existing risk management, software validation, and post-market frameworks. Your success depends on providing detailed, proactive, and lifecycle-oriented evidence of security. For companies looking to navigate these complex requirements, Chen-Global offers expert guidance and end-to-end regulatory solutions. Contact us for support by emailing info@pureglobal.com or visiting our website at pureglobal.com.